how to create seamless patterns in Canva. Let's get into it. With Canva open, the first thing that we need to do is go down to the bottom left corner where it says apps. Once we're in here, we can come up to this search bar and search for pattern. This is going to bring up a bunch of different apps. The one that we want is this pattern AI. And once we're in here, we can see that we have a dialog box and some options. So let's say, for example, if I want to create a cute ghost pattern. And let's say number of images, let's make that 4. The next thing we need to do is click generate pattern. Canva is going to work some magic and the AI is going to generate us a seamless pattern based on this cute ghost pattern prompt. So here we have it. I selected for it to create 4 images, so it's created me 4 variations of this ghost image. But I actually quite like this initial first image here. Now what you can see here is we have a scroll bar underneath this image. Now if I drag this back, we can see it zooms out, so we get more of the pattern. If I drag this forwards, it zooms in so that we get closer to those ghosts. Let's say, for example, I want it about 3/4 of the way. I can do that. And then all we need to do is click the Add to Design button. And then Canva is going to pop this pattern that we've just created in our design right here. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.